Hi class, so welcome to the end of my video series. Here we're going over the open-ended example. So you're going to get an example like this. It provides you with, you have a 2.5 molar solution. Your job is to produce 50 milliliters of a 0.1 molar solution. So this word produce tells you that this is volume 2, molarity 2. We're using this formula, M1V1 equals M2V2. And this is the molarity that we start with. So this is M1. That information we'll use to solve each part. So it's telling us that we have this M1, our initial molarity. We have this volume 2 and molarity 2. It's asking how much of this solution do you need to start off with. So again, it's M1V1 equals M2V2. We just have to identify what we have. This one's pretty easy to solve, guys. So molarity 1 is 2.5. Volume 1 we don't know. Molarity 2 is 0.1. And then volume 2 is 50 milliliters. So I just plug it in. 2.5x equals 0.1, 50 milliliters. Again, I want to get x by itself, so I divide on both sides. And here you can see the answer. You divide on both sides and you get 2 milliliters. So volume 1 equals 2 milliliters. Super easy. You just solve the first part. On the second part, how many moles you have. I have a 2.5 molarity. So you have to remember moles equals liters times molarity. I have molarity. I have 2.5 already, but I need to find the liters. I solved 2 milliliters, but that's not liters. What I have to do is 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So I have to divide this number by 1,000. And you can see the math here. I'm going to divide by 1,000 and I get 0.002 liters. And then I can multiply it. So 2.5 times 0.0 liters. And my answer would be there. Yep, so I would be left with 0.005 liters. This next part is also very easy, guys. How much water do you need to add? Sorry, guys, he's being a little bit loud. To the previous amount to dilute it. So all you have to do is V1 minus V2 or V2 minus V1. And you can see it here, guys. It was V2 minus V1. So 50 milliliters, it gave you that one. You solved for the 2 milliliters. So 50 mLs minus your 2 mLs that you solved for, you would need to add 48 milliliters. So that's all that's telling you is you started off with 2 milliliters. You added water in there. It went all the way up to 50 milliliters. So how much did you add? 48 milliliters. If you're going to try any single question on the open-ended class, this one would be it. You accidentally double the amount of water. So whenever you add extra water, let's say I have my mix here, it's perfect, and I add more water. What's going to happen is I'm going to dilute it or make it less concentrated. So that's what they want you to know. When you add water to anything, you are making less concentrated. So the molarity would be less. Look it over again, guys. You'll do great. Just make sure to study, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.